Welcome back to my channel. It's Adhrupa and welcome to today's vlog. So today I'm just going to record a day in my life as an 18-year-old, and I just currently turned 18 last month, 18th March, and yeah, today is by the way Poila Boishakh. So to all my Bengali subscribers, Shubh Noboborsho, Noboborsher onek onek shubhechha tomader shobaike, and to the non-Bengali people I just want to say it's our Bengali New Year, so tomader shobaikeo Shubh Noboborsho. So I'm just going to record today, and it's not gonna be that special by the way. I don't do so many things. My days are very simple and normal. Mostly I don't go out that much and stuff, so whatever, I'm just going to record. And what to say, by the way, I'm very hungry right now and I'm thinking of making something for my breakfast, so I'm just going to start my video by making breakfast. So let's go.
The blinding light of snow so bright, a cozy fire whispers low, with a touch of cheer and holiday delight, of skiing down the Aspen slopes. Last year around this time I did a little something. It took me off the nice while the world stood still and the street was asleep. I heard my body tell me there's a plate by the tree. A trail of crumbs, got a craving at 3. A trail of crumbs, it was only half eaten. Make no mistake, wouldn't do such a thing. Now a whole year later I'm begging you, Santa, forgive me. No, I didn't mean to. I spent 11 months not a step out of line. Kept the nicest list ready to make things right. It was late, I was weak. This year I'll show you I'm worthy. A Christmas miracle if I don't leave. A trail of crumbs, got a craving at 3. A trail of crumbs, it was only half eaten. Make no mistake, wouldn't do such a thing. Now a whole year later I'm begging you, Santa, forgive me.
This is the last bite. So guys, I have done my breakfast and right now I'm just going to read this book. This is Start With Us by Colin Hoover, and I started reading this book in my previous video, and my previous video was about my night routine, and there's another video in my channel you can find, it's about my morning routine. Both of them are very productive, so if you want something productive you can go and watch those. I will link down below. I mean, both of them are very good. I mean, for me, I put a lot of effort to make those videos, and for me I feel like those videos are absolutely fine. So if you want, you can go and watch them. And yeah, by the way, I'm just going to read this book, so let's go.
A trail of crumbs, ba-da-da-da-da.
So guys, I'm done reading this book right now. I'm just gonna take a shower, and it's very hot already. It's very hot, and right now it's almost 12 p.m. so I'm just gonna take a shower. I do like to take shower before 12 p.m. mostly, but there are exceptions also. Sometimes I do take shower at 2 p.m., 3 p.m. and also 4 p.m. and obviously 4 p.m. is the most rarest one, but every day is new, every day is different. I don't follow a specific routine, so yeah, my routine is not fixed. So obviously every day is different and my routine changes every single day, and that's how it's supposed to be also. I feel like that. But whatever, I'm just gonna take a shower right now. I'll be seeing you after that. Till then, wait, main abhi gayi aur abhi aayi.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. It just kinda happened. Don't really know
done my shower and right now I'm just going to do my skincare. So let's go. It's almost empty as I said in my last video, and I ordered the new one yesterday, and I do think it's gonna take 2 to 3 days to come. So I think I'm just gonna I'm just gonna empty it today entirely. There's nothing.
And leave it all to stay with you, with you, with you, with you. I hate the distance, 'cause I'd rather listen. Anything to talk to you, to you, to you, to you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you notice. Let me know if you changed your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my life behind and keep on talking. Yeah, I won't say a thing to you. Oh, I won't say a thing to you. Yeah, I'll never say.
So guys, skincare is done and I'm just going to wear my dress and I'll be seeing you after that.
So all we do is talk. It's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one.
Guys, I'm just waiting for my lunch right now. My mom just told me to wait for a few minutes. It's almost done, so I'm just gonna wait and then I'll be showing you what I'm gonna have today. And I think it's fish, so yeah. Gugu, Goldie. Gugu. Hey. My cutie boy, cutie boy. So guys, I've done my lunch and right now I'm just going to take some rest, and I'm thinking about watching a series or I'm gonna do some editing in my computer. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. So guys, it's evening and it's currently 5 p.m. and I'm having a cup of tea and I'm just going to go out today, so I'm just gonna get dressed right now. After having this tea, obviously I'm just gonna go and get dressed and I'll be going out with my parents. I thought it's very difficult to record outside and I really don't have any experience recording outside, and I don't think I'll be able to record that much, but I'll be trying my best to record because it's sometimes obviously a bit awkward, but I'll be trying my best. So let's go. I'm just gonna complete my tea break. So guys, I'm going to wear this today and I'll do my makeup and I will see you after that. This is how I am looking. This is my outfit and yeah, let's go.
Wait, hold on.
Opening and closing all the bright blue little boxes on my phone. Hurting and forgiving more than one should ever have to on their own. Thought we were a team, but you were more to me than I could ever be to you. To you. Wanted to believe you were all I need, but there was so much left to do for when you talk about me. I never call you crazy, and I'm not crazy. The doors of what I used to call my home. Wishing you'd come back to me, but not until you've learned to be alone. I wish I could go back and be 12 again and tell her you don't need a man, just wait till you're older. Little her, she couldn't see when she said you were it for me, but who could blame me if that's what you told her? So I kept waiting while you were fading. Wish I knew what I was creating. Don't call me crazy when you talk about me. I never call you crazy, and I'm not crazy.
I just came home and right now I'm very tired. I'm just gonna change into my night dress and it's very hot, okay? So I'll see you after that. Guys, I'm having some cold drinks right now. It's very hot. I just turned on my AC and I'm just gonna sit here for some time and thereafter I'm gonna take off my makeup. So time to drink it, guys.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. It just kinda happened, don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. Now it's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your.
So guys, right now I'm just going to write my diary and this is going to be the last part of this video, so yeah.
Little bit of love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I believe my life behind and keep on talking to you. I just need a second, so I can hear it saying, leave it all to stay with you, with you.
So guys, it's done and right now it's time to say bye to you all. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. It was overall a very nice, peaceful, happy day. I was happy the entire day. I really don't had any bad moment today. I went out tonight and it was also great, and yeah, it was a happy day. So this is my life, a day in my life as a 18-year-old. And one more thing, obviously, every day is not same, every day is not productive. So just like reminding you that every day is not gonna productive, but today it was. So that is it for today. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, watch my previous videos. I already linked it down below. So bye, love you all so much. Stay positive and keep smiling. Bye bye.